Hey guys, happy Friday! Thanks so much for joining me for this little video course. I hope that you've enjoyed it and that you've picked up a few new InDesign skills that you can use in the future. So before we finish up the business card design that we've been working on, I just want to let you know about a promotion that I'm doing at the moment. So if you want to expand on the skills that you've picked up in this short course, I would really recommend also checking out my more comprehensive course, which is called Become an InDesign Pro in 10 Skills. Over 35 lessons, you'll learn how to create professional standard work in Adobe InDesign, learning how to put together a complete magazine design in the process. Complete with 47 downloadable resources and also a certificate of completion that you can take to employers, is a great way to solidify your InDesign learning and introduce you to more of the tricks and techniques that professional print designers use in their daily work. I'm discounting the course for a limited time from $104.99 to just $12.99. So if that sounds like it would be of interest to you, check out more details below the video. Okay, so back to our task at hand. And in this final video, we're going to take a short but really important step in the design process, and that is taking the artwork that you've created in InDesign out of the program and into the big wide world. Once you've exported your card, you can send this off to a local print shop or an online printer like Moo or Vistaprint, and before you know it, you'll have lots of lovely business cards to start handing out. Back into our InDesign document, the first step is to make sure that you're happy with your design, that there aren't any spelling errors, and also that all the background colour and shapes extend past the edge of the page up to the bleed line. So when you've checked those things, you need to first file and save your document. Next up, go back to the File menu again, and this time choose Export. Give your exported artwork a name that you'll recognise, so something like Business Card for Print would work quite well. You'll also need to choose the folder where you want to save the exported artwork to. In the Format menu at the bottom, you're going to want to choose Adobe PDF Print, as we're creating a document for printing. And then you can go ahead and click Save. Okay, so in this next window, which is the Export PDF window, we've got a whole bunch of options here, but actually all you need is a few key things. So the first thing to know is the preset at the top of the window. So from this drop-down menu, choose Press Quality. And this is going to give you a really high quality PDF, which is going to be suited for professional printing. Under the Pages section, make sure All is selected to export both the front and reverse sides of your card. We're not working with a facing pages document here as you would with, say, a magazine or a brochure, but you want to ensure anyhow that pages and not spreads is checked. From the Windows left-hand menu, click on Marks and Bleeds. So here, check both All Printers Marks, and from the Bleed and Slug options, check Use Document Bleed Settings. Alright, so if you want to have more control over the size of your PDF file, and in particular if you're working with images, in particular photos in your document, you can also dip into the compression options and adjust some of the resolution options there. But for our purposes here today, that's all good, so we can move on. Okay, so ready to export, so go ahead and click the Export button in the bottom right corner. So InDesign might then take a minute to get your file ready, and then the file will open up in Acrobat or Reader, or you can go into the folder that you saved it into and find your file in there. Fabulous. So now you have this PDF file, you're ready to get your cards printed. Great job, guys. Our mini Go InDesign Pro course has come to an end. Thanks so much for joining me this week. I really hope you've enjoyed it and got something out of it. As I said before, make sure to check out the exclusive course promotion below if you want to keep building on your InDesign skill set. We've had some lovely feedback from current students, so have a little read of those too if you have a moment. It's been fantastic to have you join me this week. My name is Grace Fussell, and wishing you all a wonderful weekend.